YouTube introduces new criteria for creator monetization. YouTube is making big changes to its monetization platform for creators and advertisers that will introduce new criteria in an attempt to better the community. Additional changes to the YouTube Partner Program (YPP) to better protect creators. Back in April of 2017, we set a YPP eligibility requirement of 10,000 lifetime views. Starting today, we're changing the eligibility requirement for monetization to 4,000 hours of watch time within the past 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. We've arrived at these new thresholds after thorough analysis and conversations with creators like you. On February 20, 2018, we'll also implement this threshold across existing channels on the platform to allow for a 30-day grace period. On that date, channels with fewer than 1,000 subs or 4,000 watch hours will no longer be able to earn money on YouTube. When they reach 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours, they will be automatically re-evaluated under strict criteria to ensure they comply with our policies. New channels will need to apply, and their application will be evaluated when they hit these milestones. Those of you who want more details around this change or haven't yet reached this new 4,000 hour/1,000 subscriber threshold can continue to benefit from our Creator Academy. So this is the new update coming on YouTube from February 20th. Please subscribe my YouTube channel to make my channel eligible for all YouTube features.